Did you know there are foods so powerful that they can completely transform the way your body fights inflammation? These superfoods are not only essential for reducing pain and discomfort, but also for improving your overall health. If you want to discover the 11 superfoods that can make a difference in your life, stay with me until the end of this video. Before we begin, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any amazing content like this. And of course, check out the links in the description. There's plenty of interesting stuff there. Superfoods are like true health allies, and what makes them so special goes far beyond being ordinary foods. They are nutrient powerhouses that act directly to fight inflammation and promote balanced health. But why is this so important? Inflammation is a natural response of our body to threats like infections or injuries. However, when this response becomes chronic, it can trigger a range of serious problems. Imagine your body living in a constant state of high alert. This can lead to conditions like type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, obesity, arthritis, and even some types of cancer. Superfoods step in to break this harmful cycle. In addition to combating inflammation, these foods have a broad impact on our health. For example, many of them are packed with antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage our cells and accelerate aging. Others are rich in fiber, essential for maintaining a healthy gut and a strong immune system. A perfect example of this power is turmeric, or curcuma. Its active compound, curcumin, has not only anti-inflammatory, but also antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that turmeric can help reduce symptoms of inflammatory diseases like arthritis and even improve brain function. Incredible, right? And the best part, it can easily be incorporated into your diet in dishes like soups, sauces, or even as a warm tea. Another standout is avocado. It is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids known as good fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol and protect the heart. Additionally, the vitamin E in avocado combats cellular damage and promotes healthier, younger-looking skin. The versatility of avocado is another bonus. It can be used in sweet or savory recipes, and even as a butter substitute in some preparations. These two examples are just the beginning of a long list of foods capable of transforming your health. What's even more fascinating is that by including superfoods in your routine, you're not just preventing diseases, you're also investing in a better quality of life, with more energy, vitality, and longevity. Now that we understand the impact of superfoods, it's worth exploring each one in more detail. These foods aren't just healthy, they're also versatile and easy to include in your routine if you know how to use them. Let's dive deeper into their benefits. Turmeric is the queen of fighting inflammation thanks to curcumin, its active compound. In addition to reducing inflammation, studies show it may support brain health and even help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Add turmeric to soups, sauces, or use it as a seasoning for roasted vegetables and meats. Avocado is a treasure trove of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fatty acids, which protect your heart. It's also rich in potassium, which helps maintain fluid balance in the body. Try it in salads, guacamole, smoothies, or even as a cream substitute in desserts. Ginger, known for its bold flavor, ginger is a digestive ally. It contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that reduces inflammation and nausea. Use it in teas, juices, or grated over hot dishes like soups and stews. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and protect cells. Include these fruits in yogurt, smoothies, or eat them as a healthy snack. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3, which plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation. It also supports brain and heart health. Opt for wild salmon and try it grilled, baked, or as the base of a poke bowl. Walnuts, despite their small size, walnuts are powerful anti-inflammatory foods due to alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of plant-based omega-3. They're a great snack or addition to salads and granola. Extra virgin olive oil rich in polyphenols. Extra virgin olive oil is a natural anti-inflammatory that also protects against heart disease. Use it as a salad dressing or to finish hot dishes, but avoid high temperatures to preserve its nutrients. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants that combat inflammation and support metabolic health. Enjoy it hot or iced, but avoid artificial sweeteners to maximize its benefits. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that strengthens the immune system. It contains allicin, a compound that fights inflammation and infections. Use fresh garlic in stir-fries, soups, and as a base for sauces. Spinach is a rich source of vitamins A and C, which help protect the body from cellular damage. It's also packed with iron and magnesium, essential for muscle and bone health. Add spinach to salads, stir-fries, or smoothies. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 and fiber, helping reduce inflammation and support gut health. Soak them to create puddings, add them to yogurt, or use them as a natural thickener in recipes. How to make your diet simple and enjoyable. Incorporating these foods might seem challenging at first, but a little planning goes a long way. Start by adding 1 or 2 of them to each meal. Make a salad with spinach, avocado, and olive oil. Blend a smoothie with berries and chia seeds, or enjoy a cup of green tea with ginger after lunch. These foods not only help prevent diseases, but also provide energy, improve your mood, and contribute to a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. So, how about starting to take care of your health right now? Try these superfoods and share in the comments which ones are already part of your routine or which one you're going to try first. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the links in the description for more tips and information that could change your life. See you in the next video.